Hey, this is Farhad and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create a pop-up register form in ClickFunnels. So for that reason, I'm going to edit a page. So in this page, we can see there is a already there is a form. So I'm going to remove this form. Actually, I'm not going to remove this form. I will make this form is a pop-up form. So I just need to remove these few forms. This are not required. We only need this button. So we need to set action open pop-up form. Okay. Now we need to create a pop-up here. This is the pop-up. The next, let's make it two column. And first column in first column image, so now we can add any image from our database. We can upload a new image, so I'm adding this image. And in this form, in this section, we need to add fields, input fields. Sorry, this one should be there. Two input fields and a submit button. We can add more fields, but I think we don't need to show more. So button. So there is a form. We can design it a little bit based on our requirement. Sign up. So we can need to set action with this.